um, for this lab, we will um we will be doing monitoring device resource utilization. So first, we have to connect with facial map. Step number two, in the terminal window, type top and press Q to return the terminal interface. Okay. Q to return to terminal interface prompt. Wait, okay. Wait. Natulak yan. Mhm. Top. The top command can monitor the resource utilization of the Linux device. Okay. Type natin, type. Okay, type lang natin na siguro top. Wait, kita ko siya. Top space dash n space 10. Enter. And then after that, type top again. And then enter. Okay. In the terminal window, press the Shift plus M. Shift plus M. So Shift plus M. Okay. Press natin. Shift M. Using the Shift plus M key combination will filter the results to sort the processes running on the system according to memory utilization. And then again, i-press natin Shift plus N. Using the Shift plus N key combination will filter the results to sort the processes running on the system according to the press ID of the services running on the system. 334 PID, okay. For the top process, in the case 334, okay. Press K and enter the PID top process. Press enter. K, and then enter. Unacceptable. Wait. Wala kasi 334. Saan yung 334? K. Ano sabi yung integer? Okay, wait. In this case, there's no activity. Okay. Uh, okay, type naman natin now. Top, pop, plus dash u, AC admin, ACI admin, enter. Okay, and then after that, press M twice down. And then press Q to return. Q to return. Wala. Dito ata ito. Q. Return na lang. Not found. And then close natin ang terminal. Okay, now, connect tayo sa ACI Kali. Open the terminal window. I think it's not gonna work again because of the password. It's not working. Always it's not working. So yeah, I'm gonna explain it na lang. So in the terminal window, type sudo apt install htap space dash y. When prompted, enter the following password and enter your password and then press enter. Alert, if you receive an error, please type the following command. Type this sudo apt update, then press enter. Enter tries that. Okay. Take note, in the pop-up window, select no. Press enter and select OK and press enter. In the daemons using outdated libraries window, press OK. Type clear in the terminal window and press enter to clear in the terminal window. In the terminal window, type htap and then enter. In the terminal window, locate the htap service and press F9. Press enter. Take note that each top application monitors the resource utilization on the Kali Linux device. Similar to the top application, it can be used to stop services running on the device. In the terminal window, type htap space dash u space ACI admin. Press enter. Take note, executing the htap command with the -u parameter displays all the services that run for the specified user. In the terminal window, select the CPU person column using the mouse. Take note, the htap application supports the utilization of the mouse through the terminal window, compared to the top application, which does not support using the mouse in the terminal window. Selecting a CPU person column will sort the CPU utilization according to the utilization, and high-demand applications can be identified. Press F10 in the terminal window. After that, close terminal window. Okay. For task number 3, monitor resource utilization on a Microsoft device. Okay. Connect to ACID M01. Right-click down. Right-click the taskbar. Right-click the taskbar. Where's the taskbar? I think this one. And right-click the taskbar, then select Task Manager. Then select More Details. Okay, in the processes, right-click Server Manager and select and Task. Take note the Processes tab of Task Manager can be used to monitor the different services and applications running on the device. If an unwanted application is detected, it can terminate it using Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, select Performance tab. Wait lang. Okay. In the Task Manager. Ito pala. Performance tab. And then, click Open Resource. Where? Saan siya? Open Resource Monitor. Ito. And then, select CPU tab. Take note the Resource Monitor application can be used on Windows devices to monitor the resource utilization of the device. The Overview tab displays a brief overview of the resource utilization, and other tabs are available to view a specific resource utilization in more detail. CPU of that resource monitor, select Services drop-down menu. Select Memory. Memory tab. Okay. Memory tab. Uh, Select the memory tab in the resource monitor. Okay. Take note the memory tab in the resource monitor window can similarly be used to view the mercury utilization per process on the device. Select disk, then select storage. Click network tab. Yun lang. Dito naman tayo. Select network activity. Then the network activity monitor drop-down displays services on the device utilizing network resources. If there is a sudden increase in the network activity, it might be an indication of a network attack. Okay, select listening ports. The open firewall ports on the device can be viewed in the listening ports drop-down menu. The security specialist can determine if unnecessary ports are open, which might indicate that the device has been compromised. And then close the resource monitor. Close the task manager. And we're done.